Ever wondered about the magic behind the YouTube Partner Program? Let's embark on a journey to unravel this mystery. The YouTube Partner Program, introduced in mid-September of 2013, has been a game-changer for creators worldwide. It's a platform that allows creators to earn money from their content on YouTube. But how much time does it take to become part of this program? 2 days, 4 days, a week, or even a month? The answer might surprise you. Applying for monetization is a process that needs careful attention. Without the right guidance, it could feel like navigating a maze. But fear not, as it's not as daunting as it might seem. Remember, to qualify for monetization, your channel needs to meet certain criteria, and one of the most critical elements to this is your channel's watch hours. You might be wondering, how does this all work? Well, once your channel reaches the required watch hours, a new aspect of your online existence emerges. Clicking on this new feature, you'll find 3 status levels, with the second one being the most important. The second status level is the key to unlocking the potential of your YouTube channel. The YouTube Partner Program is not just about monetization. It's a comprehensive system that offers a range of benefits to creators, such as access to resources and tools to grow their channel, opportunities to engage with their audience in unique ways, and the potential to receive recognition and awards. So, whether you're a seasoned creator or a budding YouTuber, the YouTube Partner Program is a fantastic opportunity to expand your reach, boost your content, and turn your passion into profit. In conclusion, the YouTube Partner Program is a dynamic platform that empowers creators to monetize their content, engage with their audience, and grow their channel. It's not just a program, it's a community that fosters creativity and innovation. Embrace it and let it be the catalyst that propels your YouTube journey to new heights.